Hey there. Welcome to the English Learning Quiz. If you're looking for a fun way to test your English skills or improve your grammar, you're in the right place. This quiz will help you practice sentence structure, vocabulary, and everyday English. Here's how it works. There are 30 fill-in-the-blank questions to challenge your knowledge. Each question has 4 options, but only one correct answer. You'll get 1 point for each right answer. So try to score as high as you can. At the end, add up your points to see your current English level. Whether you're just starting out or brushing up on your skills, this is a great way to learn English while having fun. Ready to get a shot? Let's go. 1. Dash is a noun. Two, she dashed my best friend. Three, he dashed football every evening. Four, I saw a dash elephant at the zoo. Five, the book is dash the table. Six, they dash to school every day. Seven, she dashed a new dress yesterday. Eight, the sun dashed in the east. Nine, there dash many books on the table. Ten, we dashed to the park last Sunday. 11, she dashed singing beautifully. Twelve, my father dashed in the office. Thirteen, this book is dashed in that one. Fourteen, I dash my homework now. 15, she dashed to the party tomorrow. Sixteen, they dashed since morning. Seventeen, the boy dashed the ball. 18. I dash a letter to my friend. 19. She dashed her breakfast before school. 20. They dashed watching TV when I arrived. 21. The baby dashed loudly. 22. My mother dashed very well. 23. We dash to the beach every summer. 24. She dashed her room every morning. 25. The teacher dashed the lesson now. 26. My friend dashed from the USA. 27. We dash in a big house. 28. The dog dashed at night. 29. She dashed her work before dinner. 30. The children dash in the park now. 'Congratulations on completing the quiz. Great job. You've answered all 30 questions. Now, take a moment to add up your points and check your English level. This quiz is designed for B1, B2 English learners, so your score reflects where you stand within this range. Here's what your score means. 1 to 10 points. Beginner in B1. B2, you're just getting started at this level. Keep practicing, and you'll improve with time. 11 to 20 points. Developing B1, B2 learner. You have a decent grasp of English, but need more practice to gain confidence. 21 to 25 points. Strong B1, B2 learner. You understand most concepts well. With a little more effort, you'll reach fluency. 26 to 30 points. Mastering B1, B2. Excellent. You're highly skilled at this level and close to moving beyond B2. No matter your score, remember that learning English is a journey. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and you'll continue to improve. Thanks for taking the quiz. Keep going and enjoy learning.